Brian May, 74, has shared a tribute on his Instagram account to late rocker Meat Loaf. The Bat Out of Hell singer died earlier today, his family revealed. The Queen guitarist shared a snap of the two together clad in rocking gear as Brian shared a heartwarming caption to remember the musician. He spoke of how Meat Loaf had a certain naughtiness and innocence of a 5-year-old. The post was shared in full view of Brian's 2.9 million followers. The caption, in full, read, "Remembering great times. Completely gutted that Meat Loaf has left us. Always full of madness, with the innocent sense of naughtiness of a 5-year-old, Meat was forever young. I called him Mr. Loaf, and he called me when he wanted some wacky guitar playing. We had so much fun so many times, and, just 3 months younger than me, he felt like a brother. Dear Meat, the world is mourning and will miss your fine and powerful presence for a very long time. R.I.P. Brie." Fans jumped onto the post to share their farewells with Brian and offer condolences. At @hello_Brian May wrote, "I'm so sorry Brie." At Jeets Lifestyle penned, "Sad news." At Jazila said, "I can't believe it. Heartbroken." Meat Loaf was well known for his brazen and energetic public stage performances where he frequently blurred the lines between acting and musicality. His smash hit album Bat Out of Hell became one of the best-selling albums of all time. As well as having sold over 100 million album copies worldwide, Meat Loaf is also an established actor, having appeared in Fight Club and Rocky Horror Picture Show among others. The star suffered a heart attack in 2003, and following this, speculation on his death became frequent. In 2006, the celebrity said he had also been hit in the head by a 5.4 kilograms shot put, as well as being in a high-speed car crash and the heart attack. In 2016, an American paper accidentally pronounced him dead after collapsing on stage in Edmonton, Canada. He said, in a 2016 interview with the Daily Mirror, "Listen, I am not dying. After 3 months of therapy I will be fine. I am sick of talking about it. I don't want to talk about it from now on. And anyone else who asks me the question, I'm not going to respond to it."